Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for a cute and comfortable pair of cycling shoes, I have loved these awesome pink ones. Now, I really love the design of these shoes. They are a mesh knit type of fabric, which make them extremely breathable and comfortable. The fabric really hugs your feet, but also is stretchy enough to give you a little bit of wiggle room if you do have a little bit of a wider foot. I really like the closures on these shoes too. They are Velcro straps, which allow you to adjust the closure and really get a nice snug fit. Now, I love the color of these. They're pink and purple with a little bit of black. I just think they're extremely girly and fun and really get me excited to get my workout done. I was looking for a pair of shoes that were compatible with my Peloton and was so happy that this pair came with the Delta clips with them. We did have to install the cleats on the bottom. They came separately. When I am cycling and wearing these shoes, I really feel like I am locked in, nice and stable on the bike. They give me a great support and really allow me to get the most out of my workout for that day. I really appreciated the size guide as well in the product listing. I used that reference in order to measure my foot and also to pick out the corresponding size so that I made sure I had the best fit. I've been so happy using these awesome pink cycling shoes. Not only are they cute, but more important, they are comfortable and give me great support during my cycling workouts. And that's my point of view.